A very good morning to all of you. Today I am gonna show you how to get registered for corona vaccine using your smartphone. So let's move to our screen. Okay, now click on this link, open it in Chrome. Now use it in desktop mode. Enter your mobile number, tap on get OTP, you will receive an SMS. It might take some time to receive, so wait for it. Now tap on verify and proceed option. The dashboard will appear. So click on add member. Here you can choose Aadhaar card. Enter your Aadhaar number. And name anything XYZ, male or female. Now choose your year of birth and click on add. Now you can see individual registered successfully. Okay, likewise you have got a reference ID. Here it is written reference ID. The 4 digits of reference ID will be used as security pin during vaccination, so don't disclose this to anyone. Okay, now there is an option you can schedule, search by district, select your state, your district, and tap on search option. You will see the available one. Here it is written booked for 45-year-old in the name of vaccine. After tapping on age 18 plus, there is no vaccination center available for booking. So like this you can choose your slot if available and proceed for your vaccination. Thank you.